welcome back to my channel. I'm Sana. Today's my video is how to make Nutella mug cake.
3 packet of Right Biscuit Nutella chocolate baking powder milk. And then crush it. Add 3 packet of Right and 4 spoon milk, then mix it. Add 2 spoon of Nutella and mix it. We need to add 1 spoon more of Nutella and mix it. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and mix it. Add 2 pieces of chocolate and again slowly mix. Clean sides with tissue paper. Don't overflow the cup and put in microwave. Wait for 5 minutes. Now it's back. Our mug cake is ready now. Time for taste.
Yummy. If you like this video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.